If your hair is falling out, thinning, or just lacks that youthful vitality, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm unveiling the age-old secret that turned my hair's fade around and could do wonders for you too. Welcome back to Beauty and Health. I've always been on the hunt for natural remedies that truly work, and Fenugreek has become my personal favorite. Its transformative effects on my hair are nothing short of magical, and I genuinely believe it's a gift from nature. So, why is Fenugreek the hair care champion we've all been searching for? 1. At the heart of Fenugreek's magic are proteins and iron. Hair is primarily made of protein, and a deficiency can lead to weak, brittle strands. Iron, meanwhile, enhances blood flow to the scalp, ensuring hair follicles get the nourishment they need. With Fenugreek, you're directly feeding your hair these essential nutrients, promoting stronger and healthier growth. 2. One of the leading causes of hair thinning, especially in men, is DHT. This hormone, when in excess, can shrink hair follicles and shorten the hair growth cycle. Fenugreek contains compounds that naturally counteract DHT's effects, giving your hair a fighting chance to grow thicker and healthier. 3. Beyond its nutrient content, Fenugreek stimulates blood circulation in the scalp. This ensures that hair follicles receive optimal nourishment, leading to faster and healthier hair growth. Think of it as giving your roots a rejuvenating spa treatment. A healthy scalp is the foundation for healthy hair. 4. Fenugreek's anti-inflammatory properties can calm an irritated scalp, reducing issues like dandruff and itchiness. Plus, its antimicrobial nature ensures a clean, infection-free environment for hair to thrive. 5. Over time, hair can lose its natural sheen due to pollution, harsh products, and other factors. Fenugreek acts as a natural conditioner, restoring your hair's innate shine and softness. After consistent use, you'll notice your hair not just growing, but glowing. Now, you might be wondering, is there any scientific backing to all these claims about Fenugreek? The answer is a resounding yes. A study focusing on a treatment named GASHEE incorporated Fenugreek and found it combating factors leading to hair loss, mirroring the effects of some famous hair treatments. Another study showed that the majority of its participants, after using Fenugreek, reported increase in hair volume and thickness. It's not just age-old wisdom, modern science is echoing what our ancestors believed about Fenugreek's hair benefits. If you're eager to introduce Fenugreek into your hair care routine, here are 2 simple methods I swear by. 1. Fenugreek water rinse. Soak 2 tablespoons of organic Fenugreek seeds in 500 ml water overnight. By morning, the water will become slightly slimy, which is great for the hair. After shampooing, use this water as a final rinse. Gently massage it into your scalp and run it through your hair. No need to wash it out, let your hair dry naturally. This rinse acts as a natural conditioner, detangling your hair and adding a beautiful shine. Use the rinse 2-3 times a week. While storing for a couple of days is okay, making a new rinse every time is ideal. Freshly made Fenugreek water will have the highest concentration of the beneficial properties, ensuring the best results for your hair. 2. Fenugreek hair mask. For the mask, soak 2 tablespoons of Fenugreek seeds in water overnight. In the morning, grind them into a fine paste. Mix this paste with a cup of yogurt. If your hair is particularly dry, add a tablespoon of coconut oil. Apply this mixture to your scalp and hair, ensuring every strand is coated. Put on a shower cap and let the mask sit for about an hour. Rinse off with lukewarm water and a mild shampoo. This mask deeply nourishes the hair, strengthens it, and brings life back to dull hair. A pro tip: always use organic Fenugreek seeds. They are free from pesticides and offer the best benefits. In conclusion, if you're battling hair loss and seeking a natural remedy, Fenugreek might just be the answer. It's been my hair's best friend, and I hope it becomes yours too. If you found value in today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share your experiences with Fenugreek in the comments below. Until next time, stay beautiful.